The electric mobility ecosystem isn't just about OEMs fighting for the largest market share. Well, the cars that you buy, there's a high chance that the brand's facility I'm standing here will be supplying the AC charger for it. Well, they have a market share of over 50%. I'm talking about Exicom, and they have now inaugurated their new facility in Hyderabad where they'll be manufacturing the AC and DC chargers on a larger scale. But what all is crazy about it, what all they will manufacture, I'll tell you in this video.
The new Exicom Hyderabad manufacturing facility is spread across 18.4 acres, with 2.8 lakh square feet of built-up area in Phase 1. Project represents an investment of Rs 216 crore and operations began in November 2025. The facility currently employs around 450 people and has been designed to support India's growing demand for EV charging infrastructure and power electronics. In terms of manufacturing capacity, the plant can produce 4,000 DC chargers every year along with 1 lakh AC chargers annually. It will also manufacture rectifiers at a rate of 10,000 units per month, 50,000 controllers per year, and 50,000 critical power systems annually. Battery production is another major focus here. The plant has a capacity of 0.5 GWh for cell-to-module assembly and 1 GWh for module-to-pack battery production. Talking of Exicom's charging portfolio, it includes Harmony Direct DC fast chargers ranging from 60 to 240 kilowatts, along with the Spin series AC chargers designed for residential and commercial use, and portable chargers for on-the-go charging needs. The manufacturing process at this facility follows Industry 4.0 principles, with automated assembly lines, vision-based inspection systems, real-world testing of products, and full digital traceability of every unit produced. Sustainability has also been factored into the plant's design. The facility includes a 1 megawatt rooftop solar plant, rainwater harvesting infrastructure, and a dedicated sewage treatment system.
With India's EV ecosystem growing rapidly, facilities like this play an important role in reinforcing the country's charging network and also ensuring localized production of electric cars chargers.